Chapter 1: Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System.
B. Defines. It is often said that the Batak buys his wife. With this idea in mind, it is rather difficult to understand that relations can still be maintained between the two parties after this transaction. Such an idea is manifestly not consistent with the facts. When a woman marries, neither her father's love for her, nor the bond between her and her brothers, nor her relations with her lineage kinsmen suddenly cease. When a woman leaves the cycle of lineage to marry she creates the affinity relationship, the partuturan, which continues to bind her husband, his ethnic group, her children, and her future male descendants to the lineage from which she came. The ethnically independent parts of the people are thus worked into association with each other in a variety of ways, and this is maintained in the succeeding generations. The Patungan Sabutuhaon can be thought of as a system of lines radiating from the junctions of the people, the tribal group, marga, and lineage, from top to bottom, a social way of representing the genealogical tree. The traits of the Patungan are woven through these lines from left to right and vice versa at varying angles, producing a very intricate pattern. This partuturan considerably tempers the unilateral characteristics of the anatic subject and softens its sub-edges, and it permeates the whole social life of the Batak.
The woman, as the link between the men and the men's groups, creates a specific bond totally different from that enjoyed by the agnates by virtue of the relationship within the agnatic cycle. First, we will consider the various relations that a marriage creates.